What's up guys, it's Josh. Today I'm going to be showing you how to configure a site, configuring a subnet, and moving computers and creating site links. So to get started, we're going to go on the DC1. You can go to Start, Administrative Tools, and go to Active Directory Sites and Services. In the left pane we want to right click Sites and click New Site. In the name we want to put Main Site. Click on Default IP Site Link and click OK. Click OK. So next we're going to want to go to DC2. And so you want to make sure you're logged on as Student 2 and go to Administrative Tools, Active Directory Sites and Services, and we want to do the same thing we did last time. We want to right click Sites, go to New Site, and this time we want to put in Branch Site. Click on Default IP Site Link and click OK. And click OK. So next we want to expand the sites in the left pane and right click on Default First Site Name and click Rename. Put in HQ, hit enter. So next what we want to do is force replicate these two sites using the command prompt, and we'll enter in rep admin sync all. And so you get a callback message, sync all finished and sync all terminated with no errors. And so now that we've force replicated, we can go into sites and services on both servers and see that both branch site and main site is in there. You just have to refresh this one on DC1, and there we go. So next what we're going to do is configure a subnet. So we want to start at the DC1 server 1 and go to Active Directory Sites and Services. And in the left pane we want to right click Subnets and click New Subnet. We want to put in 192.168.1.0/24, and we want to click Main Site and click OK. And now we want to go to the DC2. We want to go to Active Directory Sites and Services, and we want to right click on Subnets and click New Subnet. And in here we want to put 192.168.2.0/24, since this is the DC2. And we want to click on Branch Site and click OK. So that's it on creating subnets. Next we're going to move to moving computers and creating site links. So what we want to do is go back to the server DC1 and go to Active Directory Sites and Services again. In the left pane we want to expand the HQ server and click on an expand server. Right click RWDC1 and then click move, and then the move the server dialog box expands. Click main site and click OK. In the left pane, expand main site and then expand service again. And then we want to try to force replicate to the RWDC. So right click and click replicate now, and a message comes up that says the domain controllers are in different sites. So just click OK. Right click on the RWDC2 and we want to click move and move this to the branch site. So click branch site and click OK. So in the left pane, if we expand branch site and click servers, we'll see the RWDC2 is in the server in the branch site. We want to try to force replicate this now. So click on NTDS settings and let's try to replicate now. We still get the message saying that they are in different sites, so click OK. And we want to do this again on the RWDC2 server. So click Start, go to Administrative Tools, Active Directory Sites and Services. And so we want to expand sites, expand HQ, and expand servers. So when we expand HQ and servers, we'll see that only RODC and SCDC is in HQ. We've already moved the domain controllers to branch site and main site. So if we want, we can go ahead and try to replicate using these, and we'll get a message just like the last time saying that they are in different sites. So next we're going to go to RWDC2 and open Active Directory sites and services. We want to expand inter-site transports and right click IP and click New Site. In the text box we want to put even link. And now we want to click main site and click add. And we want to click branch site and click add. Now click OK. And we want to click IP, and we'll see that even link is visible inside IP now. Right click even link and click properties. Change the value and the replicate every box to 15 minutes and click OK. So now that's going to replicate every 15 minutes. So now we want to go back to the RWDC1 computer. So we want to expand inter-site transports and right click IP and click New Site Link. And on this box we want to put odd link. We want to click main site and we want to click branch site and add both of them. And now click OK, and we'll see that odd link and even link are both in IP now. Right click odd link and go to properties, and we want to change this to replicate every 15 minutes as well. Click OK. So if we go back to RWDC2, even link is still in here, and we can click refresh and see that it's not replicated yet. All we have to do is wait about 15 minutes for it to replicate and come back and hit refresh again and check. And about 10 minutes have gone by, and on the RWDC we'll see that odd link and even link are both replicated. And just to make sure, we'll go back to RWDC1 and see that they're both there. So that'll be all, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.